In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the BlueStacks error 2004. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is to head on to your search bar and search for BlueStacks. So as you can see right here, BlueStacks, you just want to right click it and click on Open File Location. So now again, right click and open file location, and you'll be redirected here. So this is where the application BlueStacks. So you want to right click and click on properties. From here, select compatibility and make sure to check this disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Now click on change high DPI settings and override high DPI scaling behavior. Click OK and apply. I want X, and that's all you need to do to fix this error. So now you want to exit this and try installing the BlueStacks again. So that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.